Understanding oil pressure, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrases oil pressure. This is a common term in both everyday and technical language, especially when talking about vehicles and machinery. Understanding this concept is not only useful for language learning but also for general knowledge. So, let's dive in. Oil pressure refers to the force exerted by oil circulating in systems, typically in engines or hydraulic systems. It's crucial for the smooth operation of these systems. Oil acts as a lubricant, reducing friction between moving parts and helping to dissipate heat. In an engine, for instance, adequate oil pressure ensures that all components are properly lubricated and functioning smoothly. In the context of vehicles, oil pressure is a key indicator of engine health. Low oil pressure can signal issues like oil leaks, worn-out engines, or oil pump failure. It's often monitored using an oil pressure gauge in a car's dashboard. Maintaining proper oil pressure is vital for the longevity and efficiency of the engine. You might hear oil pressure in everyday conversations, especially among people discussing car problems or maintenance. Phrases like, "The oil pressure light is on," or "We need to check the oil pressure," are common. Understanding this term can be helpful in these contexts, providing insight into vehicle-related discussions. In more technical settings, like automotive repair or engineering, oil pressure is discussed in detail. Mechanics might talk about optimal oil pressure levels, or oil pressure regulation. This term is key in understanding technical manuals and maintenance guides for vehicles and machinery. I hope this video has shed some light on the term oil pressure and its significance in both everyday and technical language. Remember, understanding such terms not only enhances your English vocabulary but also your general knowledge, especially regarding vehicles and machinery. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.